Because we are asking you questions here.
Yes.
It got missing inside INEC office.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you say that your name is what?
I can explain to you. I've given you my name. Proba and Oba, sir.
I say, what is your name?
Okon Ita Abagada.
From where? From where?
I'm from Lebanon.
You are from Morocco. Okay, fine. That's very good. And you are the SPO
Yes,
for
yes,
band
SPO
for band 4. In charge of unit 1 to 12.
Yes.
And now you have lost the result sheet for both presidential, senate, and reps for those 12 units. Okay, now according to the orientation that you were actually given, what will happen to all the voters in those 12 units now?
They can't vote.
They cannot vote.
Even if they can vote, but no result.
How can you vote when there is no result?
When there is no result.
Which means that, wait.
How can you vote when there is no result?
Now, what you are telling us is that by your own either commission or omission, you have disenfranchised people in 12 units.
12 polling units. One third of an
In terms
entire
of
ward.
being sorry.
One third of an entire ward.
I'm sorry, sir.
So those people are not going to vote today, right?
I'm sorry, sir.
It's not a matter of sorry. Those people are not going to vote today. Is there any remedy to that?
Except those result sheets are found.
By who? You see, for you, I know you very well. You are a member of PDP, right? No, you are a member of PDP.
Yes, sir.
Can't carry.
No, sir.
Okay, how did you get this job?
It was on net advertised. I'm not a,
This man is a criminal. It is now that I know that you are a serious criminal.
I'm not, sir.
See, you are a serious criminal.
You are not. You are what?
What has happened
You are
to me?
what?
What has happened to me? God, we worship. God, we worship. Yes, sir.
You collected money.
That is, you applied for this job through it.
Yes, that's what.
Is that what you are telling me?
That's
That
what
you
they asked him to say
that you applied for this job.
through the internet.
That's on the line.
Why did you do this? Look at their age.
A man of your age. Why do you put your life on the line?
Sir.
Just to satisfy one or two persons.
Sir. I wouldn't take that kind of risk.
But you are taking
But
it
it
now.
has happened to me. I can't run away from it.
I saved this man's life.
Yes, he did it.
I'm the one that saved his life.
He did it.
Look, they would have killed him at the wrong side.